Hello guys, in this video we will see how to connect a printer to Wi-Fi without screen. Easy setup for screenless models. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step identifying the printer's Wi-Fi setup method can determine how your printer initiates the Wi-Fi connection. Many screenless models utilize a AUX Wi-Fi protected setup button or a method involving a printed network configuration page. Consult your printer's user manual available online via support website by searching for your printer's model number to identify the specific setup method supported. This manual will provide detailed instructions tailored to your exact printer model. Step enabling AUX on your router content. If your printer uses AUX, you will need to activate this feature on your Wi-Fi router. The AUX button is usually located on the router itself and is often labeled with a AUX icon, often a small Wi-Fi symbol with a pushpin or a similar marking. Press and hold the AUX button on your router for the time specified in your router's manual, typically a few seconds. Keep the AUX button pressed until the router indicates that AUX mod is active. This initiates the search for AUX-enabled devices. Step connecting via the printer's AUX button content. Look at the AUX button on your printer. This button is often labeled with a AUX icon or a similar symbol. Once your router's AUX mod is active as described in step, press and hold the AUX button on your printer for the time specified in your printer's user manual, usually a few seconds. The printer will now search for and connect to your router's network via the AUX protocol. Wait several minutes to allow the connection to fully establish.
Step reusing the network configuration page. If AUX isn't available, intent if your printer doesn't have a AUX button, you'll need to print a network configuration page. The method for doing this varies by model. Check your printer manual for the specific instructions. This page will provide your printer's current network settings and a said network name and password. Use a computer or smartphone connected to your Wi-Fi network and enter this network information into the relevant printer setup fields using the Smart App downloadable from the App Store or Google Play or in a provided network utility.
Step verification of the Wi-Fi connection content. After completing the connection process, attempt to print a test page from a device on your network. This confirms the printer is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. If the test page prints successfully, your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If there are issues, review the steps again and consult your printer's manual or support website for further troubleshooting assistance.